And here's I will show you how to deactivate your BlueSky account. Go ahead and open your BlueSky and make sure to sign into your account. Now tap on this hamburger menu at the top left corner. In here, tap on settings. Once you are in your settings app, here tap on account. And here tap on deactivate account. And here we can see deactivate account will disable your profile, post, feeds, and list will no longer be visible to other BlueSky users. You can reactivate your account at any time by logging in. And here we can see there is no time limit for account deactivation. Come back anytime. If you are trying to change your handle or email, do so before you deactivate. So all you have to need, tap on yes deactivate, and that's it. As you can see, my BlueSky account has been successfully deactivated. So this is how we can do it. And if you want to reactivate a BlueSky account, you can watch this video I've already uploaded on my channel. Thanks for watching.